When you first start Access 2010, you see a new user interface called Microsoft Office Backstage View. Backstage View is always available by clicking the File tab on the ribbon. I don't have a database open yet, so the first available command is Open. Further down, the New page is selected by default. On this page, I can create a new database from scratch. I can browse for a template on my computer or on office.com, or I can use keywords to search for a template. I can use the navigation buttons at the top of this page to get back to the initial screen. A defining feature of Access 2010 is the ability to create a web database, which can be published to a SharePoint server that is running Access services. As a result of this new feature, there are two blank database buttons on the new page. Clicking the first one, Blank Database, starts Access in standard mode with all its features enabled. Clicking the second button, Blank Web Database, starts Access in a mode that helps guarantee that the application I build will be compatible with the new web publishing feature. See our other articles and videos for more information about creating web databases. The Recent page shows me a list of recent databases that I have used. I can pin frequently used databases to the Recent Databases list. This moves a database to the top of the list and keeps it there so that it's always available. On the Help page, I can get support, set access options, or check for Office updates. This page also contains license and version information for my copy of Access. I'll go back to the Recent tab and open the Contacts web database. Backstage View disappears, but I can get back to it by clicking the File tab. Now that I have a database open, more commands are available at the top of the navigation pane. Access defaults to the Info page. This is where you find the Compact and Repair command and the Encrypt with Password command. And since this is a web database, this page also contains a button for publishing the database to Access services. The Recent and New pages are still here, and now the Print and Save and Publish tabs are also available. The Print page has the three standard printing commands. The Save and Publish page contains more file-related commands, such as saving a database under a different name or in an earlier file format, as well as commands for deploying or backing up a database. You can also save a database object as a new object, or publish the object as a PDF or XPS file. Finally, the Publish to Access Services button is where I go to publish this database as a web application on a SharePoint server. I can check the database for compatibility with SharePoint, enter a server URL and site name, and then click Publish to Access Services. Of course, this feature is covered in more depth in other Office.com articles and videos. At any time, I can click File or press the Escape key to return to the database workspace.